Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the most powerful machines on land, sea, and air. In today's video, we take a deep look at the 2026 JF-17 Thunder, Pakistan's advanced multi-role fighter jet that continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology, enhanced combat capability, and improved survivability. The JF-17 has become a symbol of modern air power, and the 2026 version pushes this aircraft to an entirely new level. The JF-17 Thunder was developed as a lightweight, cost-effective multi-role fighter, designed to meet modern combat requirements without excessive operational costs. By 2026, the aircraft has undergone major upgrades based on operational experience and technological advancements. The new version builds upon the Block 3 platform, refining aerodynamics, avionics, and weapons integration to remain competitive against more expensive 4th and 5th generation fighters. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder features subtle but important airframe enhancements. The use of advanced composite materials reduces overall weight while increasing structural strength. These improvements enhance maneuverability, fuel efficiency, and durability during high-stress combat missions. The jet maintains its compact design, allowing it to operate effectively from shorter runways and forward airbases, a crucial advantage in modern warfare scenarios. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 JF-17 Thunder is its upgraded avionics suite. The aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art AESA radar, providing superior target detection, tracking, and multi-target engagement capabilities. The digital glass cockpit includes a wide-area display, modern hands-on throttle and stick controls, and an advanced helmet-mounted display system. These features significantly reduce pilot workload and improve situational awareness during complex missions. Powering the 2026 JF-17 Thunder is an improved turbofan engine that delivers better thrust and reliability. This results in enhanced climb rates, higher top speeds, and improved performance at high altitudes. The aircraft demonstrates excellent agility in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles, making it suitable for interception, strike missions, and close air support operations. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder is designed to carry a wide range of modern weapons. It supports beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, short-range dogfight missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-ship missiles. The improved fire control system allows seamless integration of indigenous and international weapon systems. This flexibility ensures the aircraft can adapt to evolving battlefield requirements and mission profiles. Survivability is a key focus in the 2026 upgrade. The JF-17 Thunder includes an advanced electronic warfare suite with radar warning receivers, missile approach warning systems, and electronic countermeasures. These systems work together to detect threats early and reduce the chances of being targeted by enemy radar and missiles. Enhanced stealth features, such as reduced radar signature, further improve combat survivability. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder plays a critical role in maintaining air defense and regional stability. Its balance of affordability, performance, and advanced technology makes it attractive not only for domestic use but also for international customers. As air combat continues to evolve, the JF-17 remains a flexible platform capable of receiving future upgrades, ensuring long-term relevance. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder stands as a powerful example of modern fighter development, combining advanced avionics, strong combat capability, and cost efficiency in a single platform. It represents a confident step forward in aerospace engineering and military aviation. For more detailed breakdowns of advanced machines like this, stay connected with Bike Shift.